Hello guys, I'm so happy to be with you today. I hope you all have a good weekend. Bonjour tout le monde. Bonsoir à tous, ça dépend de qui côté vous regardez moi et à qui l'heure. So aujourd'hui, I'm going to faire une recette très facile. Today guys, I'm going to make a very easy recipe. We need salmon, I have some lime in there. I already washed my salmon. I have garlic and I have some sweet pepper, ginger. This is sesame seed. I have the black and the white. The main seasoning I'm gonna use is sazon and black pepper. This is a rice I'm gonna use. This is a pre-cooked rice. And I have some olive oil on the bag. This is the name if you guys wanna purchase that. This is organic. Um if you want to lose weight, that's the best rice to eat. So I have some stuff on the back. So right now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead finish my prep. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. Timon, ça tout ingrédient moi gen là, moi gen un poisson qui l'autre bon filet. So moi gen gingembre, moi gen l'ail frais, moi gen petit piment douce, moi gen un bagay nan bol là qui par contre que j'ai relé ça ouais, ti gnou de ti gnou woli. So moi gen moi gen poivre et puis moi gen sazon m'a plus moi pas plus et puis ça ici parce que pas gen puis ça ici et fin tout moi le faire manger bien facile si on pas gen puis ça ici on ka use et puis moi gon ti vegetable l'autre bon. So what I'm adding now guys to my salmon, I'm gonna add black pepper, sazon, which is my main seasoning I'm gonna use today, and some salt and then lime juice and then that's it. I'm not gonna do nothing less, nothing more. So it's very simple, very easy. So there is nothing complicated. You do it for both sides. So ti moun fè sa pou tout let de boy yo, ni pour one moment c'est skin na. If you don't have the skin, you can go ahead and remove your skin. But me, I love the skin. That's why I don't remove my skin. So if you're gonna serve it with your guests, you can remove your skin. Always remove it. But me, this is for me. I wanna, I'm starting my healthy journey. So yeah. I'm not looking for nobody. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my garlic first. Press some garlic, add in there just for this. That's all. There is nothing complicated, guys. If you wanna lose weight, this is the best. If you wanna lose weight, this is the best lunch to eat. This can be a dinner too. It depends. This is very easy, guys. It's not gonna take you less than 20 minutes to make. A great meal, very healthy. The rice, what I'm gonna do with the rice, you can microwave the rice, but I'm not gonna microwave it because I don't use microwave for some health issue, for health reason. I don't use it because the wave, and stuff, your food. I don't use microwave in my house, and I don't have what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the rice on the pan and then add my seasoning and then cook it. Let it heat a little bit for like maybe 8 to 10 minutes, and then serve it. Very simple, very easy. But if you use microwave, you feel free to put it in the microwave. Due to the plastic, plastic have those thing, the PBA thing. This is a bad harm. It's very harmful to your body. This is a very harsh chemical. I don't want to put anything plastic my food. First of all, your food already in it for a while, which is not bad, and then you're gonna put it in the oven or microwave to heat. What's gonna happen? Something, that this chemical gonna go in your food. So I advise people for the sake of your health, if you wanna be healthy, you just remove it from the bag, throw the bag away, use a pen. I know it's gonna cost a little more time, but use a pen for the sake of your health. Use a pen, okay? What I'm doing, I just add some time for flavor. When you're doing usually when I started my pan cook my salmon, I use garlic and thyme just to enhance the flavor. I don't know if you understand me, yeah. So that's why I do that. It's not optional. This is something you don't have to do it. Okay, this is optional. Okay. Um, what I'm gonna do now, I remove my salmon. I'm gonna add my ginger, my sweet pepper, garlic, and I'm gonna add my lima beans. It's like a little baby lima beans. They're not ready yet, but this is a good vegetables to add to your meal. Yeah, I don't really know I throw the bag away, guys. Then I forgot the name of it. But it's like the baby, like when they baby the lima beans when they baby, they just harvest them and then they put them in a little bag So they so crunchy, you know, you can eat them. You can just eat them just like that. They're so crunchy, so tasty, guys. Okay, they so sweet too. Oh my god. Pinch of salt, some sazon, some black pepper. Very simple. I don't use my. If you guys watch my channel, you guys know I have that homemade seasoning, Haitian épices. I use all the time. This is my main seasoning. So today, for the couple past week, we don't really use that. I'm trying to make things easy for my subscribers. You know, they don't have. If they don't have, maybe they think, oh, if I don't have that home green seasoning, if I don't have that Haitian épices, my food is not gonna. No, honey, your food gonna be good. Okay, as long as you use your lime juice and your meat and stuff, you know, your garlic, fresh garlic, thyme, and guys, look at it, guys. It's very easy, very simple. Yep. I always say that very easy, very simple because it doesn't take you a lot of time to eat healthy. You know, I know grabbing a burger, it's easy, get fry and stuff, drink out. It's easy, just order and get it. But when you prepare your a home meal, it's better, guys. You know, if especially if you wanna lose weight, I'm adding the sesame seed in there. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm going to la tin m'a just pour les retirer yo. Gapil moun ki bezwen perdi poids. Si bezwen perdi poids, mes amis, secret et pas dans rien li. C'est ça on manger pour contrôler. Mais ti manger ça bien facile, bien easy. Dieu son dit qui whole grain li mix, li un paquet good nutrient qui là dedans qui bon pour. The rice is very healthy, guys. He's a whole grain rice. He has a variety of grains which is good for your this is a good source of fiber. So even you eat a little portion, it's gonna keep you full. So the main reason people keep eating, keep starving, keep eating stuff because the stomach is not full, like they craving for stuff. But when you eat good, you have good fiber. When you're cooking, you add vegetables, you add greens, whole grain rice and stuff, black rice. Those are things that when you eat, they keep your body full. It's not gonna affect you, but it keep you full. So you don't have to keep craving for food and eat unwanted fat or whatever things you don't need. I season my rice with sazon, black pepper, pinch of salt. I add some garlic, and that's all, guys. This is the main seasoning I was using today. Sazon, um fresh garlic and parsley, I mean thyme, and a pinch of salt. That's all I was using. So this is the two I was using, guys. The food tastes so good. You can go ahead and try that, guys. Try it and you will tell me, ok? Si moun li vraiment easy, ou ka ese efekti manje sa la ka ou li pa pran pil tan. So beze perdi poids, so gen ma ou ki beze perdi poids, so gen yon moun ou ki beze perdi poids, ka konseye l fè li. E pi refresh la avek yon moun, so pou ko abone, peze ti cloche notifikasyon. So lem la gen yon video pou ka getan wè video, pou ka getan gade li, e pou ka getan aplike resipyen. Ou même ki beze perdi poids, li pa impossible, ok? Guys, if you want to lose weight, those of you who want to lose weight, it's not impossible. You can do it. Yes, you can. There is nothing impossible. Like once you put yourself into that, you put your mind into it. It's all about mindset. You wake up, you go to the gym, you know watch what to eat, you drink a lot of water, you watch what you eat, make your own food. This is, you can. It's very simple, guys. You just do have to follow one rules. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. So whenever I upload the video, you'll be the first one to see it. Share it. Don't watch everything by yourself. Don't be selfish. Share it with somebody, someone, a family member. Let's grow in the family. It's very. Look at it. Look at that rice. Look at that, guys. Look at it. So nou ati manje ati moun bien fasil, pa ganyen komplike, mes amis, pa ganyen komplike la, ok? Mwen te dekore la vek yon ti bo citron, guys, I did my little decor, you know, yeah, I'm all about decoration and stuff like that, so, so moun di kon fè juicing, mwen jan ave mou ka fè jus, mes amis, mali, bye bye, pasi yon bon